present in my channel. Today we are going to solve a cube, a scrambled cube. There are so many types of cube. There is pyramid and mirror cube, but I have a Rubik's cube, and today we are going to solve it. If you are not scrambled, quickly scramble it and come. Let's start. So first, find a white edge. Look, this is an edge. This is an edge. This is an edge, and these are the corners. These are the corners. And the red's opposite is orange. The green's opposite is blue, and the white's opposite is yellow. So now let's start. So first find a white edge. Like now I found it over here. So now the first step would be a white cross. So I found a white edge over here. So I would take this up over here. Yeah. And I got another corner, but now if I take it up, it would be this edge would be disturbed. That's why I will move the upper layer one time, and then I will take it up, and again I got one edge. So now again this would be disturbed, so same step, and now if you are having a corner like over here, edge over here up, so don't be worried. Just I have a edge on the downside, so I would now what I would do is I will move the front layer once, so I would get on the side and move the top layer once. So now I need to take this up, and now the second step. The second step is to match the upper layers edges. Means here should be green, here should be orange, here should be blue, here should be red, like that. And don't bother about the down one. Yeah. So now we will take, if this is red, right? So take move the front layer 2 times, like 1 and 2, and then match this with red and take this up. And now we got green with the edge. So now match it with the green, and now again 2 times up. And now I think I should now again give it a go. So now here is orange. So same 2 times down, orange, matching with orange, and then and the important thing is that this edge should having a color, other color, and having a white one. So I have a white. Now I would take this up. I got a blue now down with the white. So I will take this. Yay! We completed the edges. And now we need to complete the corners. Means here would be, we'll complete this thing. Means the the white one, whole patch will be completed. So now I am having a corner with a blue. I am having a white corner with a blue. So I would match this with the blue. And now this is a wrong corner. Don't bother about it. And then take this, and I will tell you the formula to just complete. So the formula is that we need to move this. If it is on the right side, move it at left. Take it this type down, like this and like this. And now we got a blue. Again the same step, matching it with the blue, as you can see. And then the same we are going to use. But now I have it at the left side. So I would go to the right, this down, this, and like this. Now we will go with the orange, the white and orange. So now I would go and correct this. And now again I have at the left side. So 1, wait a second. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now only one card is missing. So now we would go find the other one. Oh, it's down. It's down. So now you need to move it to this empty space. So I will move it to the empty space. Yeah, in the empty space, on the empty space. So now what we are going to do is take this down, move this 2 times and take it up. Yeah, now it is having a red color. My white corner is having a red color. So I would go with red. Okay, I matched it with red. And now we will now continue with the formula. So this is on the right side. So same like this. Yay, we completed. And now you at these the side means blue, red, green and other colors. You should get a T, small T. As you can see, I got a small T over here, got a small T over here. And now we are going to make a big T. For that, we need to find a corner with the other, the edge with the other color. Like I got orange and blue. So now I will match orange like this, blue at bottom. Yeah. So now I will take this here, down, this, done. So you got patch full, but this corner is this edge is a wrong edge because it's having a yellow color. We need over here a green color. So now I would go with green. I have a green and red, so I will match this with the green. And now the same formula, but now red is over here, right? So do it oppositely, means like this. Taking this pad down, this, then this up. So here, this, no, and up. And then we got this patch full, but only here is missing. So now let's find one more corner. Yeah, I got green and orange. So now we are going to match this with the green. And now the same formula. And bottom on your bottom this side, down like this, like this, like this. Now only this patch is remaining, this only, this one. But now what can we do? We can't just complete it because blue is on this side and red is on this side. So what we will do is use the same formula, but do it, no need to just do the bottom layer, but still I am doing. So down, yeah. So now I got the red and the blue corner down. Now I will match it with the red, as I told you, and the same formula like this. Now blue is on this side, right? So we will do oppositely. Yeah. So now our all packs are done. Now let's move to the yellow cross. So I got yellow like this. I got the L. So we need L like this, not a L. We need a L like this. Not like we need L like this. We don't need like this. And even we can use a sleeping line, but then we need to we need to follow that formula 2 times. Means this sleeping when it's here over here is a sleeping line. If we use this formula, which I am going to tell you, if we use this formula 2 2 times means first the slipping line, when we will use that formula, the slipping line would be converted into a L shape, and then you need to use it again, and then it would be L. Like, no, means then we will just complete the cube, but now not completing, it would be complete with the yellow cross. But now I got a yellow, yellow L. So I will now use the formula for you. Okay, so keep this thing like this. Now we are going to move a front layer like this. We need our L like this, right? So front layer like this. Moving this side. Moving this here. Moving this side. And taking this side down. And then this also down. So we got a yellow plus. And now we need to match the down edges. We matched the upper edges, right? Now we need to match the down edges, and I got only one. We need all the edges matched. So first move the cube once. Yeah, so you got blue and red matched, and these two are not matched. So what should we do is one should be at the back side. So my back side is with this. Your back side would be this side, but my back side is over here, and one you need to hold it at the left side. Okay, the other one you need to hold it on the left side. And now let's use the formula. So now this thing, this here, you need to take up, and then 2 times left. You need to take it 2 times left, and then we need to do this down. Move this once like this, and then like this. This would be done like this. And now if you can't see it, just move once, left, right, anywhere. I move it at right, and I got the all down edges matched, as you can see. And now the other step is, now we need to correct the corners, and then the cube would be completed. But now we need to correct the corners. So we need to do is that first find some colors with a yellow with it. Like I got one blue and red and yellow. But are these centers blue and red? No, it is green and orange. These centers are not that. Even on this side, are these center orange and blue? No. Even same at all corners. Only you can see is this is completed, but that is a wrong corners. Don't bother about that. Yeah. So now we are going to use the formula to complete, means to just not complete a cube, but we are going to now solve these corners on the correct place, and then we will complete the cube. Yeah. So now we are going to do is right up. We are going to do, and then this right, top right, left up, top left, right down, the top right, left down, and the top left. So now we will find one corner with correct corners. So now I got orange and green. It is not matching, but is there like that? Is there orange over here? Yeah. Is it green over there? Yeah. So this is the correct corner. If you got a correct corner like this, so now we will take it at the left side. This is my right side. I will take it my left side. This is my left side. So now we are going to use the formula again to set the corners. As I told you, right up, top right, left up, top left, right down, top right, left down, and top left. Do you got all corners? set on its correct place. Like I got orange and blue set on a correct place. So you can see there orange, yeah. Blue, yeah. Green and orange are matched. Even the green and red are matched. Even the red and blue are matched. But now we just need to do is, now we need to complete the cube with the fourth formula to complete the cube. Yeah. So now take any corner on your right side. And now do this thing with me. So right, down, down, left, right, up and bottom, right. Same, right, down, bottom, left, right, up and bottom, right. So I got this set. As you can see, it's matching with blue and this is also matching with red. Now let's now don't move the cube like that, don't, or else the whole setting would be, you know, this we can't then. So move this top layer once. So I moved it. Yeah. Now the same step we are going to do. Right, down, bottom, left, right, up and down, down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right. Yeah, so we got this corner set, but we just need to move it and then it would be set. Don't bother about that. So let's do this now. Let's move it once and do that. Okay, so right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right, right, down, 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 left, right, up and down, right. Yay, we got this set even. Don't bother about it's not matching with the centers. It's okay. We will move the cube once and it would be set. Yeah. Now let's move to this. Right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right, right, down, down, left, right, up and down, right. Now I just did the second layer was just as it is, and now let's move this this top layer once, and our cube is completed. So you need to practice it well, so you will develop the skills and even you will get the formula.